Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan if you are new. So today we are going to be installing our lace frontal wig. So this wig is from Virgo Hair Company and this is on AliExpress. Their company is well known and their hair is bomb. It's 100% virgin hair. So this one is Malaysian and I got it in straight. And as you can see, the front of the wig is a frontal. It is pre-plucked and it has a density of 180. So it's a really nice wig, especially for a beginner. So basically I just started off by attaching the combs to the front of my hair. You guys know that I don't do the whole glue thing. I don't do anything extra. I just attach my combs and that's it. And I feel like this is like perfect for a beginner, somebody like me actually, because yeah, I don't know how to do that extra stuff. So I just stick to my combs and yeah. So first off, I'm going to start off by finding the right parting that I want. So I usually do my middle parts, but this is a lace frontal, so you could do a side part, you can do like a deep part. I tried those out, but I just really liked my middle part. So I am starting off by plucking the frontal. Like the frontal is thick, so, and even though it is pre-plucked, the hairline is pre-plucked. So I just wanted the rest of the frontal to be a little more flatter and not so like bumpy right there. So I'm just like going throughout the frontal and just randomly plucking. As you can see, when like I comb it out, that's the hair that I plucked out. So yeah, that's kind of satisfying to watch. Yes, but you can see that my hair kind of went down a little just by taking out those hairs. So yeah, so I kind of just go back in with my tweezers and pluck my parting just to make the parting space a little bit wider and more natural. And I did not have to bleach my knots because my scalp, the color of my scalp is kind of light. It's like super light. So the wig kind of blended with my scalp. But if you do have a darker scalp, you can use either makeup or you can bleach your knots. Yeah, so I'm just going in with my flat iron just to make the frontal even more flatter than it is, because you want it to be straight down. You want it to look like it coming out of your roots, out of your scalp. Did I just say roots? No, not your roots, your scalp. So I'm just like trying to straighten any bumps that I see, and I'm using a small teeth comb just to get through it and get it like as flat as possible. Now I'm just like bringing out those baby hairs that the wig already came with, and I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter just to make some edges. By the way guys, this never starts off perfect. I use my Eco Styler gel and I just play around with the hair to see where I want it to fall. And my camera actually stopped recording at this point. I'm so sorry about that. But yes, I use the Eco Styler gel and I just slicked that down. And guys, honestly, that's all I had to do for the frontal part of my hair. The hair itself, when I was straightening it, it literally turned into silk. It's like so soft and it holds a curl so well. Like, I wore this wig for the rest of the week and that curl was still in there. I didn't have to restyle it or anything. It's like so silky soft. So guys, that's literally all I did for this hair. It was such an easy install. I feel like anyone can do this. I think the wig is very beginner friendly. You really don't have to do anything that much, and the hair is beautiful, like such a good quality hair. So I definitely recommend it. If you guys want to try this wig out, I will leave the direct link to this hair on Virgo Hair Company's website. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
That I'm